go. You're
You've had
such a
the
good
idea
boy.
for months now. You told your friends about it. Your mom's mom, your yoga instructor. You've worked out every detail. The name,
There's a
the
beautiful
logo.
moon.
Now it's time to Squarespace. But you don't know a thing about websites? Squarespace. Worried about it looking good? That's what templates are for. Squarespace. But you need more than a site? You need a whole brand, social campaigns, promotion, the whole 9 yards? Squarespace. It's that easy. Got an idea? Squarespace it. Use offer code Pandora for 10% off your first website.
Come on, Peanut, you can finish this. I was stuck in the free games. Oh, it's my